Ever wondered why the humble avocado is often hailed as a superfood? What makes this creamy green fruit a favorite among health enthusiasts and dietitians alike? Dive into the world of avocados and discover the myriad of health benefits that this nutrient-dense fruit has to offer. Bursting with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, contributing significantly to your daily fiber intake. This not only aids digestion, but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied, a key component in managing weight effectively. But avocados don't just stop at fiber. They are also laden with essential vitamins and minerals. From vitamin K, crucial for bone health, to folate, vital for cell repair, avocados have them all. They're also rich in vitamin C and E, both powerful antioxidants that protect the body against harmful free radicals. And that's not all. Avocados are a rare fruit that offer a good dose of protein, an essential nutrient for muscle building and recovery. They also contain more potassium than bananas, an essential mineral that most people don't get enough of. What about those healthy fats we mentioned earlier? Well, they're not just good for your heart. These monounsaturated fats also help your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K from other foods, making avocados a perfect addition to your salads or smoothies. And while avocados are relatively high in calories, they can actually help you lose weight. The fiber content in avocados not only keeps you feeling full, but it also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those mid-afternoon snack cravings. To summarize, avocados are a nutrient powerhouse. They're packed with dietary fiber, essential vitamins and minerals, and heart-healthy fats. They help you feel full, aid in digestion, contribute to muscle building and recovery, and even assist in weight management. So next time you're at the grocery store, remember to grab a few avocados. Your body will thank you for it. Check out the channel for a tasty smoothie recipe, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutritional news.